Mama yɛhwɛ my ɛwɔ kurom ha. Ɛmmaa no nso wɔ mfasoɔ, but yɛmfa ɔmo nyɛ asɛm ɛwɔ Ghana ha. Adeɛ a yɛde yɛ asɛm wɔ Ghana ha ɛyɛ parties. Nti yɛrefi sɛ ɛmmaa yɛmu yɛfiri baayɛ. Ɛmmaa nso ɛna no aduane ma yɛ. Ɛmmaa nso ɛna ɔmo hwɛ yɛfie ma yɛ. Ɛmɛma deɛ yɛde yɛba sɛ
Africa member here treating my special. I said you cry on any Baba does your who I'm in discharge Kwasia Kekasa Nasama. Am I a special? Am I very intelligent? Bring me a job when you say in my kitchen and obey a baby. It will not go school now. Ready, I can ask a matter.
2 6 hours. And teachers at least another 20 to 25 years of your life, no 70 years, no. Oda at the Mondre was the 70 years, Grana, Umbra, Casano, 20, 25 years. And now bet media, I don't know how to be worried, and then how to be sitting, and then how to be a business person, and then how to be a president, and then how to be a 20 or 25 years, and no pen or war.
Analysis wrong. Uninya sound to me yet. I check me out, but your Uninya sound to me yet. Asinipa lifespan a year 75 years no. And bring power who will more the bayin yama aware awo asha will Marco square be at 25 years. It's na Obroni said, I don't waste any moments. Make us see some so Ghana idea a real pa Obikwa Koware kwasi asem sa ni idea yes baby shower there be shower area 3 months now I a year. Ghana yetimi the 1 week see what near waste a year. Akokonsa yedi kokonsa kwa just say niema enfa any productive way man and no can just say I am going to change the psyche of the mind.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH. FM Bambros. Subscribe, share, no bensunya bien share. And I come bedi akon. I'm say unim ni nipa ni ye. And I'm pese akon the profile of Nana Kwambedi Ako. Who is he? And why did he force? Stay tuned and watch this video.
Not many people appreciate life because they have it. Not many people appreciate their breath because they don't know the value of time. But when the breath stops, the time stops. I am grateful every day.
Bedi Akon's profound appreciation for the value of time sets him apart in the world where procrastination and short-term thinking often prevail. Many marvel at Bedi Akon's accomplishment, achieved in a mere 2 decades. The secret to his rapid ascent lies in his understanding of time as the most precious gift bestowed upon humanity. At the tender age of 16, he had a realization that would shape the rest of his life. He was willing to dedicate his entire existence to the Creator, to the universe, in exchange for the ability to maximize every moment granted to him. This urgency, this burning desire to make the most of every moment, became the driving force behind his numerous ventures and achievements. Nana Kwambedi Ako's mastery of time goes beyond personal productivity. He understands that time is the great equalizer, the one resource distributed equally to all, regardless of wealth or status. His approach to time management is not just about squeezing more activities into each day. It's about creating lasting impact, about using the limited time we have on earth to leave a legacy that outlives us. He came to recognize that true mastery of time requires more than individual efforts. It necessitates collaboration, partnership, and the ability to inspire others to value their time just as preciously. This realization led him to the next critical component of his process of maturity, the importance of women in personal growth and societal development. The transformative power of women. In Nana Kwambedi Ako's journey, women play a role that is both central and transformative. His appreciation of the feminine influence in life and business is not merely a nod in political correctness. It is a deep-seated belief rooted in personal experience and keen observation. His respect for women stems from his upbringing, particularly his relationship with his mother. Through her, he learned the true value of sacrifice, nurturing, and resilience long before he entered any romantic relationships. This early influence instilled in him a profound appreciation for the strength and capabilities of women, a perspective that would shape his personal.
So we share video where I will say Nana Kwame Diako, he was born with a vision and he has a mission. Yes. We share video no send ya na bra botiana. We say when you ordinary child born to us, maybe dem who say or your gifts or your sabi achadi anyame de mayen. In life of the world, edu baby Israel is for normal brano. Nyame ma Moses ne you among the dem called promised land no. Edu baby sabi na ewiase brano. Nyame sa my another gift that was Jesus Christ. Ono no buy na sabi obeyi yemfi obonsam enko asomu. Ghana baby yedu no ye won ko asomu. Ye wo baby atete apansam. Enuti na Nyankopon ayi achede na nakwa mbedi akode amayen a o say I am the new force. Ye ka say new force kwa dey be new force. New force means say a new beginning. A new something that ever sweeping away the corruption, the stupidness, the nonsense. Yinana adi Ghana SE. And then you find the new force and a wave. I see me new force and your party and a movement of people. Because me share another video no can say or share the love people who have given him. Some of us we are doing this out of love for him. Nobody has paid us. Also share for a t-shirt man. Other people who say the love is too much. And then they make us say when you do something good that a man conform who say you need to be pushed. Yes, in your food you are apparently a piano na kwamba diakon. No, Mr. Komun, ma, say, yes, society away. The ladies have been marginalized. Oshe ma, the way treating ma, ya marginalize your young what's in your kind.
The first girl who from Dubai, Allah, your posters, and your shots of campaign. They already went to my body. A chese, Mumma, and man also on fast walk, but can far ammonia and some our Ghana. I dare the some of Ghana a parties. And the refuse a man young free buyer, a man so and a no animal, a man so and no musha you feel my. And remember there, yet about say a Jumani about and so new force ebay. Our first priority is equity. Our second priority is equality. And our third priority is empowerment. Equity ni say o chefa. That's right. And to say obia nya ne chefa as Ghanaian. The new force you believe no. Say any say a chefa no come be back. Na Ghana nyina na ayi region back capital region pe na ye aduma. A chefa no enye nti ehu sa no dey see there be. Let's bring a fair share equity to the nation of this country and to the people of this nation. Instead of being if you say, Bono, I am part of a region, Biano, almost we show more minerals. Now we show more resources attributable. Now we share more arable lands. Our media farming, Adia production. Now, Western region, Western North, Central, with the Boma, just Nina is over $500 billion, $500 billion. Wow. Dollars, oh, and yeah, CDs. Now the best cities in India, I'm I actually come for I want to go. Now, say, young Massa equity way up. You who said, such a far way, and a dear Juma, a Ghana regions. 18 hours, 12 pillars now you want. It's the first pillar is 16 regional industrial revolution. Pamcho, we make sure say the diary the better than book 12 industrial.
Ase wo be hwe society me we ya emma ye nkrophobia sabinyame bomo special but Africa mema ye twiti ma special ai sabi owikra ne ye de babedo se ye hu ye na me discharge kwase akekasa na asema ko be emma ye special emma ye very intelligent bribi atwa mu ne ye se emma ko kitchen oboa ene oba yi abema yi enti wo oba na wo ko school na wo nya hwe bi ade na asema to was it made the ma adwin be say what men can do you can do it better. This is not and yet talk math. This is pure English no can e adwin no mayen. It will surely now no all man price now e yen question or the man say oba be say born ho modern say born abaso sabe e ma pempen so omudu no e hard work no omde do ho enye sabe o monam send your bi ekeka no tanana kwa mbedi akwa say oya for the underprivileged and he's also for women oh you or can say be or say how many hours do you sleep your entire life how many hours do you sleep you go say mra
to better 6 hours it says better at least another 20 to 25 years of your life 70 years oda na the mondre wonsa and you ubedi 70 years krana umra wo wankasa no 20-25 years and now ubeti media ye bibia and now de be worry and now de be sidan and now de be business person and now de be president and now be hina wo de be 20 or 25 years and no pen award into wo 20 years and 25 years go to school mu so wo hia de awie na wo wie na wo nya adwuma and na school na di wo hwam o ma jusika or my educate you and so you may be in free member. Well, in our 12 pillars, in fact, give me one of the 12 pillars. No, in fact, we have Dr. Hammond here. Dr. Hammond, call for Dr. Hammond. Yes, a young man. And for standing for my MP, and Muntumano, what I say, we're independent, now, and the scientific member. I, some Kanya, Munkain and so. Honestly, all you and the society. Now, make your way out. Mama too, because all the Bakuma are buying for in so. I am the same of Begina Hamonia Mary Namusu dear Timmy. It's Pabakumo. Now, first of all, no, Mushaha, QR code be all. Mudimu phone is canepe. We need the first policies ever in our history of governance. Assembly Ayekabiano, as our video so. I bet you will be PMU. Ube Usika, our Western region. So Ashanti regional.
Analysis wrong. Uninyasa won't be yet. I check me out, but your Uninyasa to me yet. Asinipa lifespan a year 75 years no. And bring power who will more the bayin yama aware awo asha will Marco Square be 25 years. Etina Obroni say, I don't waste any moments. Make us asam so Ghana idea a pa obi kwakobare nkwasi asem sa na idea yes baby shower dey be shower ye 3 months now we na gu aye Ghana yetimi the 1 week see ho na waste aye akokonsa ye di kokonsa kwa che say niema enfa any productive way man and no ka che say I am going to change the psyche of the mind because when you say it's just 25 years and now we are awake it means say older than 50 years na member 75 in America me patch to buye na that time no da ya can don't waste it no patch and say emebu na moto wa mo boss pa ebi mo boss luka ebi mu yese na ejimi mu nyai na mu use mo time profitably. This is mind wisdom talking. ubeti wuntie a wildlife aha expose GH FM Bruce pacha subscribe mami ya le tumpa na osaka bi manu asi bye bye.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.